my reading of the Constitution suggests that what the government has done is within the provisions of the Constitution. You must understand that while framing the Constitution, sub-article 3 of Article 370 made a provision saying the President can, by notification, disapply the Constitution or apply it with such changes or modifications as may be. If the Constitution is to be amended, for example, if a provision as significant as Article 35A had to be embedded in the Constitution, it would require Parliament two-thirds present and voting, Article 368, and it would be subject to the basic structure challenge. But Article 370 allows the President by notification to make adaptations to the Constitution, and including disapply the Constitution, disapply Article 370 completely. 370 sub-article 1 also allows the President to apply such parts of the Constitution with such changes, etc., which establishes that this was a special provision made to deal with Jammu and Kashmir. I don't want to join the political battle on whether this was temporary, permanent, semi-permanent, but as a constitutional lawyer, a provision which allows the President to modify the Constitution in its application to a significant part of India, i.e. a whole state of India, should be construed as being a temporary provision. And that's what its long title says. Now, whether politically over a period of time this became temporary or permanent is quite another matter, and I don't want to enter that debate. Assembly of the state, this has two dimensions. The Assembly of the state stands dissolved, and it stands dissolved for good reason. There is no stable Assembly of the state. Today, Parliament is exercising the powers of the State Assembly. Parliament, by a two-third majority, has passed this law, has passed this resolution. Parliament could have amended 368 by using powers of 368 and knocked 371 out of the Constitution completely. Two-thirds present and voting have ratified these resolutions. So I don't see where this whole argument of bypassing a state assembly or getting past it applies. Parliament has been passing the budgets for the state. This is ultimately an important political decision. It has been applied in a manner which the Constitution permits. And I think it will be a grave blunder to superimpose the political arguments over the legal structure.